Welcome to CARTLENZ, your smart and efficient ERP POS solution. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to make a purchase using the system. Step 1. Select the supplier. Start by selecting the supplier from the drop-down list. Step 2. Add products. To add products, simply type in the product name, SKU, batch number, or even scan the barcode in the search field. Once you type the first 3 letters, suggestions will automatically appear. After selecting a product, you can enter the purchase quantity and optionally update the purchase price, discount, and selling price manually. Step 3. Additional options. You can apply a purchase discount, either as a flat amount or a percentage. You also have the option to set a tax percentage and add shipping charges in rupees. All calculations, including subtotal, purchase discount, tax, shipping, and total, are automatically displayed in the summary section below. Step 4. Payment. Now it's time to choose your payment method. You have 2 options: cash, multiple pay. If you choose multiple pay, you'll be able to split the payment between cash, card, and bank methods. Just enter the amount for each method and confirm the payment. The system will automatically calculate the paid amount and show you the remaining due amount. And that's it. Your purchase is now complete. With CARTLENZ, managing purchases is simple, fast, and smart. Thank you for choosing CARTLENZ.